Alright, we're gonna do some pier fishing again. I'm trying something a little different. The wind noise has been driving me crazy, and I don't know how this is gonna work, but what I've done, well, first I've said this before, but I'm gonna explain it again. This is a GoPro Max I'm using. Unfortunately, the GoPro Max doesn't have an external mic available to it, and it's because of the 360. And one of these days I'll do a 360 view, but I haven't needed it. But there's a camera on a lens on the front and the back, and you can actually turn this to a 360 view and you can see all the way around. It's pretty cool. Well, an external mic would prevent the camera from being able to do that. So for that reason, you can't get an external mic with the wind buffer on it. So what I've done is created my own. So I'm fishing today and testing out my makeshift windsock, and it's actually a sock, an old sock that I've cut a hole in and put over my camera lens. So we'll see how that works, because it is windy today. I felt like I needed fish today because there's a front moving in, and it's going to dump about 3 inches of rain on me, which means I may not be able to fish for a while. So I thought, well, I might as well get it done, do some fishing while I can before the water comes up. And it's actually supposed to start flooding. It's already pretty high, and it's actually come up. I fished yesterday and did a video, posted it this morning, and it's already come up a foot from that yesterday. And if you go back and watch yesterday's video, rock right there where the water's just near the top of it, it may be more than a foot. It may have come up 2 foot since yesterday, but that rock was more exposed than it is today. So there's a lot of current, and for whatever reason the water is dingy today. So I guess it's because it's gotten up in the banks and it's stirred up a lot of mud. So I'm not sure how well this is going to go, being there's this much current. But since I won't be able to do it for a while, once the water gets too high, I won't be able to get to the pier. So we're going to take advantage of it and see what happens. All right then. There we go. Wow. That's surprising. Good brim. Was not expecting that. There we go. That'll teach you. There we go. Oh yeah. Maybe oh, what have I got? What have I got? A drummy. Drummy. Well, come here. Okay. Bring your slimy self here. There you go. There we go. Oh. Wow. Wow. I foul hooked you, but that gum. Man, what a brim. That's a whopper. Big old red ear. Man. That's another good brim. Man. Big old brim today. That's a fat one. Well, okay. He's as big as my hand. Oh yeah. God, they are inhaling it. I'll do this before I unhook him. Good size brim. Wow. I might be able to get one more. Yep. Not as big. They're hungry. They are hungry. Oh yeah. They're there. Okay. Man. Alright. This is a pig. Wow. Can y'all see that? Come on. How'd you do this? That is a big old brim. Okay. Okay. Well, these brim are nice. Okay. I'm trying to show you off and you won't let me. Fine. Another good one. Belly flop. I must have got it. They did. Oh, alright. That's all I'm gonna do. I'm just feeding brim night crawlers. I don't know the next time I'll get to do this because of the water, but maybe soon. Watching the eagle. if you can see it, is a juvenile bald eagle. What's up, knucklehead? Well, until next time, which I don't know when that'll be, just have to watch how much rain we get and water level. Y'all have a good Merry Christmas, good Christmas season. Spend time with your families. Make memories. Until next time. Alright then.